The killing of a 37-year-old woman by an immigration agent has shaken the U.S. city of Minneapolis. Thousands have been protesting against the Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency, which is also known as ICE.
A U.S. immigration officer has shot dead a woman in Minneapolis, sparking a row between the Trump administration and local officials over who is to blame. The Department of Homeland Security claimed the woman had tried to run over officers with her car.
Today we are talking about a news story that has shocked many people in the United States and also raised serious questions in Europe. It is about a woman who lost her life after being shot by an ICE agent in Minneapolis, and how this one event quickly turned into nationwide protests, political debate, and global attention. This is not just one incident. It connects to immigration, police power, human rights, and public trust in government. Let's start from the beginning in very simple words. ICE stands for Immigration and Customs Enforcement. It is a U.S. government agency. Its job is to enforce immigration laws, find people who are in the country illegally, and sometimes arrest or deport them. ICE agents often work with local police, but they are a federal force, which means they work for the national government, not the city or state. In Minneapolis, an ICE operation was taking place. According to early reports, agents were trying to detain a person connected to an immigration case. During this operation, a woman was shot and later died. She was not armed, and reports say she was not the main target of the operation. This is the key point that made people angry and emotional. When news of the shooting came out, people wanted answers. Who was the woman? Why was deadly force used? Could this have been avoided? Was this legal, or was it a mistake? Police departments across the country prepared for possible unrest. Some cities increased patrols. Others tried dialogue with protest leaders to avoid violence. Meanwhile, lawyers began discussing possible charges. If the shooting is ruled unjustified, the agent could face criminal charges. There could also be civil lawsuits against the government. These cases often take years. Internationally, this incident added to the image of the U.S. as a country struggling with internal conflict. European commentators said America looks divided and tense. They said this affects global trust and leadership. However, some Europeans also admitted that their own countries face similar challenges, just in different ways. Protests, police violence, and immigration debates are not unique to the U.S. The big question remains: what changes after this? Will ICE change its rules of engagement? Will there be stricter limits on when agents can use deadly force? Will body camera policies become clearer? Or will things return to normal after media attention fades? History shows mixed results. Some incidents lead to reforms, others are forgotten after a few months. But one thing is clear: this story touched a nerve. It combined fear, power, loss, and identity. It forced people to ask uncomfortable questions about safety, freedom, and justice. For viewers in the United States, this story is about accountability. It is about whether government power has limits. It is about whether every life is truly valued. For viewers in Europe, this story is a reminder of how different systems handle authority. It also serves as a warning of what can happen when trust between people and institutions breaks down. In the end, this is not just about one ICE agent or one city. It is about how modern democracies handle force, law, and humanity in stressful situations. As investigations continue, the world will be watching, not just for a verdict, but for signs of learning, change, and responsibility. Because justice is not only about punishment, it is about making sure the same tragedy does not happen again. And that is why this news matters far beyond one headline.